Every year, vehicle owners spend between $300 and $500 on fuel economy modifications, chasing marginal gains while overlooking the most cost-effective improvement sitting right under their hood. Properly maintained spark plugs can restore 3 to 8% of lost fuel efficiency for under $100. Yet 90% of spark plug damage claims stem from installation errors that could have been prevented with basic knowledge. The cruel irony is that these mistakes don't announce themselves immediately. Instead, they work silently beneath your hood, creating conditions that manifest as mysterious misfires weeks or months after installation. By then, the damage spreads far beyond the spark plugs themselves. These are 5 spark plug mistakes that seem harmless during installation but create devastating misfires months later, costing car owners thousands in preventable repairs. The first and most dangerous mistake is improper torque. This isn't just about being a little loose or a little tight. Torque directly affects your spark plug's ability to dissipate heat to the cylinder head. Under-torquing creates a spark plug that's not fully seated in the cylinder head. Heat dissipation slows dramatically, causing the firing end to overheat. Pre-ignition follows, a condition where the fuel-air mixture ignites before the spark plug fires, creating pressure waves that generate metallic knocking sounds. These extreme cylinder pressures and temperatures exceed design limits, subjecting pistons, connecting rods, and crankshafts to stresses they can't handle long-term. The vibrations inside an under-torqued spark plug cause the ground electrode to break down. What starts as slightly loose fitment becomes catastrophic part failure. Over-torquing presents equally serious dangers. Excessive torque stretches the metal shell of the plug, potentially cracking threads or causing complete thread breakage. Stretching can break inner gas seals or fracture the spark plug insulator. Most dangerously, metal shell stretch from over-torquing reduces heat dissipation, again leading to pre-ignition and severe engine damage. The specification range for 14mm spark plugs spans from 8 foot-pounds to 29 foot-pounds, depending on thread length and whether your cylinder head is aluminum or cast iron. This isn't guesswork territory. These values exist for critical engineering reasons. The second mistake involves anti-seize compound, a product that divides mechanics and manufacturers into opposing camps. NGK's position is crystal clear: do not use anti-seize or lubricant on NGK spark plugs. It's completely unnecessary and can be detrimental. Their reasoning centers on how anti-seize acts as a lubricant, altering torque values by up to 20%. This dramatically increases the risk of spark plug thread breakage and metal shell stretch. Most modern spark plugs already feature what NGK calls trivalent coating. That shiny chrome or silver finish on the threads isn't just about appearance. It's specialized plating designed to prevent metal-to-metal seizing, making additional anti-seize unnecessary. Yet many experienced technicians swear by anti-seize, particularly on air-cooled engines where they've dealt with seized plugs for decades. The compromise position, when anti-seize must be used, involves applying it sparingly and reducing torque specifications by 30%. Critically, the first thread, closest to the spark plug ground and electrode, must remain clean, as anti-seize contamination here causes the spark plug to short, resulting in misfires and combustion gas leaks. The third mistake appears innocent but creates one of the most insidious failure modes, contaminating the insulator with fingerprints or oil. Greasy fingerprints on the insulator quickly develop into carbon tracking and misfire conditions. Air can ionize and become more conductive, causing arcing adjacent to the spark plug insulator. This creates eventual carbon tracking that progressively worsens over time. The carbon track resembles dirt but represents carbon burned permanently into the ceramic insulator material. Unlike surface contamination, this can't be removed by wiping with solvents. The carbon has become part of the ceramic structure. Oil contamination, often from failed spark plug tube seals, creates similar problems. Engine oil, interfering with the electrical path, prevents reliable ignition of the air-fuel mixture, leading to misfires and rough idling. The presence of engine oil on spark plugs indicates failed seals or barriers within the engine, requiring repair beyond simple plug replacement. This explains why misfires often appear months after installation. Carbon tracking develops progressively, manifesting as engine stumbling when the throttle opens under light load, a symptom that gradually worsens as the tracking becomes more pronounced. The fourth mistake involves trusting pre-gap spark plugs without verification. One mechanic's experience illustrates this perfectly. After installing OEM dealer plugs that caused major misfiring on cylinders 3 and 4, Checking revealed gaps of 0.050 inches on those plugs, a severely incorrect specification that disappeared once properly re-gapped. Incorrect spark plug gaps cause uneven firing of individual cylinders and delayed engine combustion. Both conditions create engine miss or erratic idling that drivers often dismiss as minor issues until they become major problems. Gaps set too wide cause the ignition spark to lose strength crossing the spark plug gap, resulting in engine hesitation. The spark becomes irregular, making the engine run rough or lose power under load. Gaps too narrow diminish space for the air-fuel mixture, affecting spark quality and duration. Symptoms include engine misfires, hard starting, rough idle, engine hesitation, and poor fuel economy. Narrow-gapped plugs often appear black or wet due to unburned fuel accumulation. The situation becomes more complex with precious metal plugs. Iridium and platinum spark plugs should only be gapped when absolutely necessary. An adjustment requires extreme care to avoid damaging the electrodes. Using screwdrivers or improper tools to wedge between electrodes destroys these expensive components. The fifth mistake involves selecting incorrect spark plug heat ranges, a decision that can literally destroy your engine. Using wrong spark plugs leads to performance issues, misfires, poor fuel economy, stalling problems, pre-ignition, and severe engine damage. The heat range determines how quickly the spark plug dissipates heat from its firing end. Hot plugs forced into cold-running engines create annoying misfires, early fouling of spark plug tips, and excess carbon deposits. In severe cases, engines stall or refuse to start entirely. Conversely, cold plugs in hot-running engines cause overheating and pre-ignition issues that damage engines over time. When fuel-air mixture ignites before spark plug firing or ignites in multiple locations, pressure waves create that characteristic metallic knocking while severely damaging internal components. Plugs with incorrect heat ranges can't burn off carbon deposits during normal operation. These deposits accumulate on electrodes, cylinder heads, and intake valves, creating a vicious cycle where fouled components can't generate strong sparks, leading to incomplete combustion and more carbon formation. Eventually, buildup becomes so severe that engines require professional cleaning or component replacement. Professional installation prevents these costly mistakes through systematic procedures. Spark plug holes must be cleaned before installation to ensure proper torque readings. Work should only occur on cool engines, as metal expansion when hot can cause thread damage. The correct sequence involves loosening old plugs about 1/8 turn to dislodge accumulated dirt, cleaning thoroughly, and installing new plugs finger tight until the gasket reaches the cylinder head. Then tightening an additional 1/2 to 2/3 turn with a proper spark plug wrench. When debris falls into cylinders during removal, the consequences range from scoring cylinder walls to valve damage when engines start. Small particles prevent proper sealing of valves or piston rings, reducing compression and requiring expensive repairs. The mathematics are stark. Baseline costs of $180 to $280 for straightforward 4-cylinder jobs at independent shops prevent exponentially larger expenses. These include $2,200 catalytic converter replacements, $1,400 thread repairs from seized plugs, and $480 in ignition coils destroyed by sustained arcing across eroded electrode gaps. Independent testing shows replacing worn spark plugs at 80,000+ miles typically restores 4 to 8% lost fuel efficiency, equivalent to saving $200 to $400 annually on fuel costs. Correctly gapped iridium plugs reduce fuel consumption by 2 to 4%, translating to $50 to $150 yearly savings for daily commuters. These 5 mistakes: improper torque, anti-seize misuse, insulator contamination, gap assumption, and wrong heat range selection, transform routine maintenance into expensive repairs. The delayed failure mechanism makes proper installation technique more critical than many realize, as today's mistake becomes next month's tow truck call.